Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th mathematics chapter 13, which is practical geometry related to the Telangana State Board. Okay, so in this video, we are going to talk about our exercise 13.2 because in the previous video, we already see our exercise 13.2 solutions. Okay, so generally this exercise is very simple, but before I'm going to explain this exercise, I want to be teach something. Okay, like what is perpendicular? Here you already know about the perpendicular. Okay, na? What is perpendicular? Okay, na? What is perpendicular? So perpendicular means nothing. Generally, what will be its mean that a 90 degree. This is a 90-degree angles. This is a 90-degree angle like that only another angles is also there. This is always 90 degree. That is a perpendicular means what? In the straight line, when you cut the straight line in the middle and like that, and this side in left side, if it is 90 degree, in the left side if it is 90 degree, in the right side also 90 degree, that is called as perpendicular, right? Simple. Let's suppose this is a 2 centimeter line. Okay, in this one middle of that is 1 centimeter is there now. If you make a straight line here, and if this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree, that is only called perpendicular. In a straight line, when in the middle of that, if you create a straight line, only a straight line, that is the only perpendicular. This is only called perpendicular. So I hope this all lines are perpendicular. That is generally this is the only perpendicular. That's enough. Nothing in this exercise apart from this perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular is simple. Let's suppose this is a 5.6 centimeter line. Okay, now what is the where the perpendicular in the half? What is the half of 5.6? If you convert, this is going to be 2, a 2.8 in the 2.8. Let's suppose this is a 2.8 in this one. In this one, if you draw a straight line like that, okay, this is a 90 degree here, 90 degree here. Okay, but don't so. This is the only perpendicular. This is the only called perpendicular. Okay, right? I hope you will understand it. Okay, now. So where it is a scale. Okay, so generally we are going to talk about it. So this question telling that draw a line segment PQ has a 5.8 centimeter. Okay, we have to create a line segment which is 5.8 centimeter. Okay, but where it is a scale, I forgot. Okay, just look at the scale. Is it there? Okay, so this is 5.8. So the scale is here. In this scale, this is 5 centimeter. Okay, where it is 8 here, if you count, this is 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8. So here it is. So now let's draw this. So I'm drawing the line here. So from here to here, okay, now this is 5.8. This is a 5.8. Okay, now this is a line, that is P and Q. So right, this is a P, this is Q. What is the distance? Distance is 5.1, 5.8 centimeter. Okay, now it is telling that we have to create perpendicular bisector using the ruler or compass. Ruler. So what is the mid in the 5.8 is there, huh? What is the midpoint of that? What is the middle point in this one? What is the middle point? So you can choose like that. This is given, huh? This is given 5.8 divided by 2, so it is going to be 2 and it's going to be 9, so 2.9. okay, now if you focus here, this is going to be 2.9. okay, so in this one we have to check 2.9. so where it is 2.9? So 2.9, it is going to be here. It's going to be here. Okay, 2.9 is going to be here. Okay, in this one we have to just take a straight line here. Okay, take a straight line. That's the only called perpendicular over. Okay, now in the middle of P and Q 5.8 centimeter, middle we created, that is the our perpendicular. Over, right? I hope this is going to be clear. Actually you can do with the compass also, nothing is hard in this one. You can choose what is the half of this one. So because we know that what is a half, 2.9 is half now. So in a scale you can measure in this scale where it is 2.9, so you can measure 2.9 is here. Okay, a little bit you can measure here also. This is going to be 2.9. now it is over. Now you can do like that. Here you can just going to be this and you can take like that, and just enough, you can be here only now, so you can draw like that. Okay, now you can do like that also. Okay, over it is. So now otherwise you can take this one line, it is still here only, like here, that is 5.8 centimeter it's total. Okay, now you can choose like that. Here also you can choose like that here. Okay, like that. Here one line, from here also you can choose, there is a one line. Where it is interesting? Here. So it means that that's going to be a straight line here. Okay na, exactly here it is. Okay now, so simple. There is a something in the, what will happen, sometimes it's going to be is different, that's why. But you have to choose 2.9 now, so it's going to be 2.9. okay, so exactly it's going to be 2.9. This line is exactly going to be this one, 2.9. This line is exactly going, so draw this line only, erase this line. Okay now, erase this line here. If it is, this line is only going 2.9 exactly, so this is only line. Okay now, exactly it is clear. Okay, so let's talk about this question. Come to the second. In the second question, what is telling, Rabi made a line segment in 8.6 centimeter. If you see this line, this is the total 8.6 centimeter line. I also draw with this one. Here you can see this is, okay na, this is a 8.6, 8 point something 6 centimeter it is. Okay now what is telling, contribute an axis AB and find a length of AC equals to and ABC. It is given this A and C. What is the length of A and C you have to find, and what is the length of B and C you have to find. So it's very simple, because if C is made in the middle, this is 8.6 centimeter is given na? So where we will take the perpendicular line, when you divide this, it's going to be 4 and 3, it's going to be 4.3 centimeter. It means that this from here to here, this line is 4.3. it means that that line also 4.3, because when you add this together, this is 4.3 plus 4.3, if you add, it is going to be how much, 8.6 only na. So this is, so let's, you can do this one like that also. This is 4.3, okay, 4.3 here. Okay, so you can do like that. Okay, simply. So this is there. So what is the value of AC? The value of AC is 4.3 centimeter. What is the value of BC? The value of BC is also 4.3 centimeter. Okay, now from here to here 4.3 centimeter, here to here 4.3. From this A to C, what is the distance total? 8.6. okay na, right? So generally what I'm telling you, this is a, let's suppose this is A, this is B, this is 8.6. okay, in the middle there is a C. Now I am asking what is the distance here, so it will be half distance only now, so it is going to be 8.6 is there. What it will be the half of this? This is 4, this is 3. It means that this is a 4.3, this is a 4.3, half will be 4 point, half will be 4.3. when you add this 4.3 plus 4.3, it's going to be 8.6 only now. Same here only, but this is like that, it's going to be like that. Okay na, here it's going to be like that only. Okay, right? So let's talk about this question. Okay, this is our third question. Using ruler and compass, draw 6.4 centimeter and find the midpoint. Okay, so we have to use both of this, ruler and compass. So why not we take the compass on ruler? So this is our, generally this is our ruler, which is a scale. We have to choose 6.4. so we will start from here. This is 6 and that's going to be 4 only, a little bit. Okay, so this is going to be 6.4. it's same. It means that that's going to be something like that. Okay, okay, like that. And now we have to count 6.4 from here. Okay na, 6.4, it's total same. Okay na, so now let's draw this. Okay, from here to here. Okay, this is A and this is B. How much this is? Total 6.4 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find a midpoint. Midpoint means middle of the point. Okay, now this is given 6.4 centimeter. Okay, this is A, this is B. What is the midpoint? So when you divide 6.4 by 2, it's going to be 3.1 only na, sorry, 3.2 only na. So here you can measure with the scale where it is 3.2. let's suppose this is here. Okay, then only it is like that. Okay, so this is will be 3.2, this is also 3.2. okay na, what is the middle of that? 3.2 only na. So this is given 6.4. we have to find the middle point. So how we will find the middle point? Because middle point in the middle, how you will find? Because when you divide this into 2, it's going to be how much? 6.4 is there. If you divide, it's going to be 3.2. in this 3.2 only the middle point is there. So where it is 3.2? 3.2 is exactly here only. So this is a 3.2. so this is the only middle point. So you can do like that also. You can take a straight line and you do. Okay, you can do like that. Otherwise you just, this is line is there na, this is B and this is A. In this is a middle point. Just write this is a middle point. middle place, you do like that, otherwise that way you can do like that also. So weighted option is that you can just forgot this, you can do like that. 6.4 is there, half of the 6 point, what will be the half of 6 point? 3.2. Here to here 3.2, that is a, this is only middle point, this one. Okay, so overall this exercise is totally ended here. So this exercise have no answer, okay, because in the textbook lot of teacher do with their own way. Okay, now everybody have their own styles to do the mathematics. Someone do easy way, someone do with a very clear way, someone go with the step and step by, someone do directly like that. Okay, now so everybody have different types of explanation idea or technique, but don't worry, whatever in this one I explain it. If you have also any kinds of doubt in this one, so you can tell to me, I will explain that again to you. Okay, so I hope this video is going to be very clear to you. Let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.